tips you need to know in taking the board exam. 101. I'm Engineer Ira. I'm a chemical engineer. So here are the things you need to know in taking the board exam. Number 1 is on the first minutes of the board exam, you should scroll down and find the most easiest questions you can take and answer it as quickly as possible as you can. With that, you can create confidence in your heart and you can be able to answer and bring momentum to the board exam. Paano mo siya ma-atake? Number 2 is do not overthink. Kung paano mo lang din i-review yung sarili mo, kung paano mo lang din i-solve yung mga problems during your review, at mo na rin dapat atakihin yung mga questions during the board exam. With that, makakatipid ka na naman ng time because the main thing, the main goal is dapat ma-scroll mo, ma-walk through mo, masagutan mo lahat ng mga questions. Number 3 is you should be one with your Paris handbook, your calculator, and with your periodic table. Yan. So, dapat BFF kayo ng mga yan. So, alam mo yung terms, alam mo kung saan yung mga principles, yung mga concepts, alam mo kung saan chapters, alam mo din kung saan formula, saan correlations yung mga ginagamit. Aware ka dapat kung saan yung banda. And number 4 is to know yourself very well. Alam mo kung saan yung pinaka-peak ng mind mo gumagana. Alam mo rin kung kailan ka gugutumin. Alam mo rin kung kailan ka aantukin. So, that's the things you need to know with yourself and all the stuffs that you are working on. So, dapat alam mo yun. And lastly is do not forget to pray before, during, and after the board. So, kailangan ipasagos mo lahat. And believe in yourself, manifest, and attract that you will also pass the board exam. So, padayon to everyone. And congratulations. So, for more, follow me here on TikTok for more tips and tricks. Or you have questions, you can follow me. Thank you.